The cries for justice continues as Jodian Fearon is laid to rest.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The funeral service for Jodian Fearon was held on Saturday the 6th of June at the Boulevard Baptist Church in Kingston. The service began at 10 a.m. Meanwhile, family members said the name of the church was withheld to prevent crowding or any breach of the government's COVID-19 protocols. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Babsy-Grange, and People's National Party spokesperson on justice, Senator Donna Scott Motley, were also among the small group in attendance at the service. Some family members wept openly as they paid their final respects to the woman whose death triggered widespread anger and frustration among Jamaicans both at home and abroad. One close friend of Jodian in her tribute said, "Today I say my final goodbye to a beautiful soul, a loving and genuine human being. You should be here. That is all I can think about. Fly high, Jodian." In another section of the church, Portia Horton, the heartbroken mother of Jodian, had to be consoled as she spoke about the huge gap that her daughter's death had left in her life. Determined that she would not allow Fearon's death to go in vain, the mother said she would continue to fight for justice. Horton also used the occasion to call for legislative changes. "I am confident God will give us the strength to fight for justice for Jodian. The family is also seeking legislative changes which will ensure that this painful situation will never be encountered by any other family," said the mother.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.